Bees, tiny creatures that flit from flower to flower, may seem ordinary at first glance, but in truth they are one of the most crucial players in maintaining the balance of nature. Their small bodies belie an enormous responsibility. If bees were to vanish from the earth, the ripple effects would be so severe that humanity itself would not be spared. One of their most vital roles is pollination. Flowers cannot always move their pollen on their own. They rely on intermediaries, and bees are among the most efficient carriers nature has ever created. Every time a bee visits a blossom to collect nectar, tiny grains of pollen stick to the hairs on its body. When it moves to the next flower, some of that pollen transfers, enabling fertilization. This process allows plants to produce seeds and continue their life cycle. Pollination isn't just about plants, it's about our food. Many of the crops humans depend on, from fruits and vegetables to nuts and grains, require pollination. If bee populations drop, agricultural yields will decline sharply. According to the Food and Agricultural Organization, FAO, more than 75% of the world's cultivated plants rely on animal pollinators, and bees are the primary workers in this process. Bees also help sustain biodiversity. Each plant species supports countless other creatures, birds, insects, mammals, by providing food and shelter. When plants thrive, the entire ecosystem benefits. Bees, therefore, aren't just honey producers, they are the guardians of life's intricate web. Honey itself is a remarkable gift. To make just 1 teaspoon, bees must gather nectar from thousands of flowers. Honey is rich in nutrients, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. For centuries, it has been valued not only as a food, but also as a medicine, used to heal wounds, soothe sore throats, and strengthen the immune system. Yet today, bees face a dangerous decline. Pesticide use, habitat loss, and climate change have taken a heavy toll. A world without bees wouldn't just mean less honey. It would mean less food, higher prices, and even the disappearance of certain crops. Without their pollination, many plants simply couldn't survive. Protecting bees must become a priority. We can all take part. Plant diverse flowers to provide steady food sources, avoid harmful chemicals in our gardens, and support farmers who practice sustainable agriculture. Even small green spaces in cities can become sanctuaries for bees if filled with the right plants. Some nations have already taken action, restricting certain pesticides, creating bee-friendly habitats, and funding research into bee health. These steps acknowledge a fundamental truth. Bees are a foundation of global food security and environmental stability. It's easy to overlook bees because of their size. But if they were gone, our world would be profoundly different. Flowers would fade, ecosystems would crumble, and human life would face unprecedented challenges. Safeguarding bees isn't just a job for scientists or farmers, it's a responsibility we all share. So next time you see a bee hovering near a bloom, remember, it is more than just an insect. It is a guardian of biodiversity and a pillar of life on Earth. Helping bees is helping ourselves, ensuring that nature and humanity can thrive together. Are you ready to take action to protect the bees? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so we can keep bringing you more stories like this.